welcome back to my channel. Guess who's here? It has been a very long time that I have not uploaded like a life update for you guys. I was like dreaming about it last night and I was like, let me just pick up my camera and actually post some videos, okay? Because what am I doing, okay? Like, just post your videos, like, just stop playing, Anna. For those that have been following me for a very long time, you guys know that I have been going through a phase with my YouTube right now. I changed it so many times. I was doing like nail tutorials, and then I was doing vlogs, and then now I'm back to nail tutorials and vlogs. Like, it's just like back and forth, but I have officially changed it to Anna Nail Artist. I'm trying to focus on nail stuff, but also want to add like vlogs into my channel here and there, because I know a lot of you have originally followed me for my vlogs, and I know a lot of you have been watching like my older videos and asking me like, where am I, like, why aren't you uploading, like, is everything okay, and all that stuff. And I appreciate all the concern, you know, so that's why I'm doing this video to update you guys. For those of you that have been following me, you guys know that I have a nail salon. I actually ended up selling the nail salon back in March. I just felt like it wasn't, I wouldn't say it wasn't the right time, but it was just not meant to be for me, I guess. I, you know, made a TikTok video on it, on why I sold it and everything like that. If you guys follow me on there, you know, you guys already seen the update on why I sold it. But for my YouTube family, look at my Charlie. I ended up selling it because, like I said, it just wasn't meant to be for me. I just didn't really enjoy being a business owner with employees. I feel like I'm always by myself, you guys. I always like to be by myself. Like, that's the type of person I am. I'm a very shy person. I just like to be by myself. I like to work for myself. I like to work by myself. And I'm not saying this as like discouragement for you guys to not go out there and open your own business. You know, by all means, go ahead and open your own business if you want to. I will applaud you. I will be there for you. But for me, it's just not what I wanted or what I expected, I guess. I did ended up opening another business for myself, so I'm pretty much like an independent business owner, still doing nails, you guys. I'm in this beautiful suite. Probably in the next couple of days I will give you guys a tour. Let's see what else. My husband's healthy, he's working. Dogs are healthy, they're doing great. My Starbucks is here. I'll be right back. Oh, I got the goods, you guys. Say hello, kiddos. Tell everybody you're okay. Oh, I dropped something. Hello, guys. This is what I got, you guys. A venti ice white mocha with salted caramel cream foam, 1 pump of toffee nut syrup, no whip, and caramel drizzle. This is my first time trying this, you guys. I'm gonna see how it tastes. I've tried iced white mocha before, but I've never tried it with toffee nut syrup, so. Ooh, this is actually really good. If you guys want it, screenshot it right now. Yummy. Okay, guys, this is so much better. I actually have you guys inside my cabinet right now. The lighting is a little bit better here than it was over, because I had you guys on the microwave and on my Bath and Body Works candle, and then another candle was like actually holding you guys up. I also got some bagel, you guys, because I'm gonna transfer my sausage and egg over to the bagel, because I don't really like the bread that comes with the sausage egg sandwich. Look, yummy, it's so good. So good. I might try 2 pumps next time, and maybe not do the caramel drizzle because it is on the sweeter side. Alright, you guys, I'm going to finish up eating my breakfast. I'm going to take my vitamins, and then I will see you guys around lunchtime. Charlie, what you doing on the couch, girl? Charlie, you need a bath. Do you want to take a bath? Charles, why are you sitting on there like you're a cat? You're not a cat. You're my baby, Charlie. Supreme, hey buddy. Why are you sad? Wake up. Wake up. Supreme, come here. Come here, buddy. Why are you so sad? Hello, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me? Hello, 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 hello. I'm in my husband's room testing out this microphone that he got. It is his microphone. Like playing back all of the videos that I created, I noticed that my voice is like really low, even if when I would edit the video to make the volume go a little bit higher, you still can't really hear me as much. So I decided that I wanted to test out this microphone that he has so that way I can get one and you guys will be able to hear me a lot better. By the way, my husband, he just uploaded a new YouTube video. I will link it down below for you guys. I will also put his name right here so you guys can subscribe to his channel. Also subscribe to my channel too. Thank you. I think I'm going to get out of here, you guys, because I don't want to be in his room for too long. I don't want to touch anything in his room, okay? I'm going to leave, stop showing his room and all that stuff. So chicken, I'm actually going to season them up and put them in the oven. I bake it for 400 degrees for about 25 to half an hour. So I'm just adding my pepper to it. And my husband is doing like a no salt thing right now. So I'm using the salt-free dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. I'll go like in between like this one. I'll do the Southwest Chipotle as well. Sometimes I will go in with the chicken grilling blend as well. That's what it looks like. Salt-free, game changer. Using my chopsticks, I'm gonna place this down. There's only 4 pieces. I used like a couple of them last night to make dinner. I'm gonna have 1 to myself, and then the other 3 is for his lunch for the rest of the week. This robe that I'm currently wearing right now from Target, and it is literally the best thing in the world. It is so comfortable. You guys need to go out there and get it. I will try to link it down below for you guys if I can find it. I believe it was like between $20 to $30. It seems expensive, but it is literally so freaking worth it, you guys, because it's so comfortable. I will wear this all day long when I'm at home. Like, it literally feels like you're not wearing anything at all. It is so comfortable. Like, this is what it looks like. So cute, comfy. I just got my Target order, you guys. I'm about to do a little grocery haul. So I ended up getting the Haluva Good Dip French Onion. This is what it is. I don't know how to say that brand, but French onion dip. And then I got some Tostitos scoops so I can eat that. And I got the Aidells all natural Italian styled smoked chicken sausage with mozzarella cheese. This is what it looks like. I've always used the Aidells Cajun style pork sausages. I'm gonna try the chicken sausages. I'm actually going to be making like this pasta dish. I got spaghetti from the Good and Gather brand. And I got some diced tomatoes, which I'm going to mix this all up. And the recipe did call for spinach, but Target didn't have spinach, so I got chopped kale, which is okay because I'm about to make this smoothie anyways for my little snack time, I guess. So what I'm most excited about, you guys, is this Joyba bubble tea, mango passion fruit green tea. This is what it looks like. It comes in a pack of 4. It comes with like a straw. And I'm very excited about this, you guys. I seen this on the app and I was like, I have to get this. Like, look at the straw. It's so cute. I don't know if it's like one of those extended things. Oh, it is too. That's cool. Look at my nails, you guys. They're so freaking cute. I love them. I'm like on this hibiscus phase right now. So I've been doing hibiscus and like this aura, whatever style it's called. The nail trend that's going on. Love it. Oh, it has the bubbles in there. It's so cute. Mmm. Mmm, it's so good. Put the groceries away. Now I'm about to try. I did try a little bit, but I want to try it on camera with you guys. The French onion dip. I haven't had this in forever. Try it out. Mmm. Mmm. I could stand here and eat this all day. Alright, I'm about to make my smoothie. You know what? I'm not going to make my smoothie. I actually feel a little bit full from lunch earlier, and I had obviously my chips, so I'm not going to make the smoothie. I will probably make it in the morning time, so you guys can catch that in my next vlog. Oh my god, this looks so good, you guys. Look at that. And it took like 10 minutes to make. Total time, probably 20 minutes. That looks so good. Have to test it out. Alright, you guys. Have to give this a try. Get a little bit of everything. The kale, chicken sausage, the spaghetti, a little bit of the tomato. This is my first time trying it, you guys, so I don't know how it tastes. Now you don't need to add a lot of salt to this because I believe the chicken sausage already is seasoned well. Let's try. That is really good. Oh my god, that's so good. The chicken sausage, you guys, is so fire. I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese. That's why I said like no salt, because from the mozzarella cheese and then also the chicken sausage itself, like I said, is already seasoned. This is what's for dinner tonight and for lunch tomorrow. I will list the ingredients down below for you guys.